Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we are cutting 16-foot long hemlock logs for an order, of course, but it's quite a hassle to cut longer logs, and you're gonna see how we do it. So let's get into this video. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys this really quick. The Woodmizer has this little black stripe there where the blade starts if it's pushed all the way back against the far side where the controls are. And there's also another one on the other end right here, which is basically as far as the blade can go on this side. So if we take a measuring tape, which I'll do here, and we measure just how long this thing can actually take all the way. Oh my gosh, I don't think my tape measures. Oh my gosh, my tape measure is too short. I ran out of tape measure. All right, I have a 25-foot one now. Jade, could you hold it on that end? $21 and like 3 inches. 21 feet 3 inches. This is like the most random number ever. So as you could see, the mill can take just over a 20-foot long log, but we're a little bit even more limited because the roof that is over the mill, the little support beams that we have for it kind of limit us to how long the log can go that way. So a 16-footer is really just as long as we can possibly do, otherwise it hits that beam. I know it's a little dumb how we have it set up. It's not going to be this way forever, but for right now we are limited to that. So this is about as long as the mill can take at this point, and we're just squeezed into a very tight space here. Over here we have where our flitches and slabs go. And we should have set up a little differently by setting the jigs back a little farther maybe, but it's very tight, cramped space to be moving around very long boards with, so it just takes a little bit of hassling, and sometimes I have to help Jade swamp a little bit quick and like just grab other ends of board and stuff, because otherwise they're like hitting me at the control station. It's a crazy situation. So this is why I don't prefer to cut longer lugs like this, but we do offer it because there's a lot of necessity there, and we don't want to just tell a customer no and turn down money. It's unfortunate. So here we are doing the 16-foot long lugs, and we're gonna make it happen. So let's start up on this log here, and we're cutting 1x10s. So I'm just gonna cant it up to a 10-inch wide cant, and then just cut 1-inch boards from there. And that is the plan. So in this pile we have about 30, and we need like what, 46 for the order or something like that. We're actually going to continue to cut more today, but this is the end of today's video, unfortunately. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow us on Instagram at Lumber Capital Log Yard to keep up with all the extra fun. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.